Hello everyone, welcome back to your girl channel with another hairstyle. Yes, I'm killing it. I'm killing it. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because you're going to be seeing a lot of protected hairstyles from your girl. So today we are going to be doing a quick weave. So quick weave at the back and single braids at the top. As you can see, I'm just dividing the part that I'm going to braid the single braid. That's my top hair. If you want, you could always just blend in your hair, but as for me, I wanted to do a single braid, so I did a single braid. So right now I'm just taking out my edges. I cut my hair bald before and I bleached my hair, so since then my edges is not growing. I don't know why, but I have been treating it. I have been doing everything I supposed to do to treat my hair. So right now I'm just braiding the hair down. I think I did about 6 to 7 stitch braids down for the quick weave. And for the quick weave, I didn't put the quick weave gel in my hair. I'm going to explain it to you guys. My scalp is so sensitive. That's why I even learned how to do my own hair. Like I had to learn how to do my own hair because it's not everybody that can touch my scalp. My scalp is so sensitive. So the quick weave gel, I put that in my hair before and the hair lasted only 2 days in my hair. When I say 2 days, 2 days, like my scalp was itching. Like I'm just sensitive, so I like to learn how to do my own hair, to do setting hairstyle. Maybe once in a while I will go to this my friend that really know how to do my hair, but I try not to call her all the time. If I'm really tired or something like that, I will always call her and then I'll always tell her how to like fix my hair. So right now I'm just braiding the hair down. I'm taking my time and braid it down for this part. Yeah, and the hair don't even have to be perfect. You can braid it any way you want, you know what I mean? You could do it any way you want, yeah. So that's what your girl is doing right now. I'm just braiding the hair down, and then I'm gonna go in with my hair growth oil. Like it helped my scalp because my scalp itches a lot most of the time. So if you know any shampoo out there that I can use, because I have used other stuff and then I finally fixed my own hair oil that works for me really well, because I was using other stuff before but it just didn't work for me. So yeah, as you can see now, I finished doing that. Just taking the hair oil and just putting it in my scalp, and then I'm going to massage it in my scalp. This video is going to be very raw. I'm not gonna fix my voice or anything like that. This is how I sound. I'm from Africa, I still have my accent and I'm gonna be raw. I'm not gonna be all, oh my god, I'm shy, blah, 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 whatever. No. So right now I'm just putting my stocking cap on. As you can see, I'm not putting the wrap strip under my hair first. No, on top of my hair first, because I don't like the feeling of the wrap strip. Like that, to show you I'm so sensitive. I just don't like how I feel like I have a paper bag on my head. I think so, yeah. Like I have a paper bag on my head and I don't like the feeling. So that's why I didn't put a wrap strip under my hair, because I don't like the feeling, like how it feels on my head. So anyways, but I did this before. I did this a long time ago and my hair didn't break. Nothing happened under my hair, and I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how I take down the hair, because I have to treat my hair after this, and I'm bringing another video showing you guys how I treat my hair. Because if you are doing a lot of protective styles on your hair, you have to treat your hair in between so your hair wouldn't break. So as you can see now, I'm just sewing the stocking cap on my hair and I'm taking my time to do this part. Take your time, because I juke myself. I was juking myself so many times and it hurts. Like this stuff is so sharp and it was just like juking the heck out of me. When I tell you, I was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just taking my time to sew the stocking cap, and I put 2 stocking cap over my head You can use one if you want, but because I'm not using the quick weave gel and the wrap strip under my hair, I decided to use two so that it can work for me. So as you can see, your girl is doing what she do best. You know, I'm doing this, and like I still have this hair on my head and I love it. Like the hair is nice. At first it was kind of like this one part, uh, like this one pack of hair, I'm not sure if it's gonna make it in my hair. Like I was like saying that, right? But the hair is full. Like it feels thin, but then if you put it on your head, it's full. So now I'm just cutting the stocking cap from around my hair. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do this part because I'm being very careful. I'm not trying to cut my hair. I want to be careful, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking my time and I'm just doing that. Like you have to take your time on this part, okay? Like I sewed this thing down. I was like, you're not going nowhere. I'm gonna sew you down really good. And this hair lasted 2 weeks on my head. I'm about to take it out soon. It has been 2 weeks already. I'm a busy mom. That's why I'm posting this video right now. Like I'm a full-time mom and I'm trying my best to be consistent on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to your girl channel, go ahead and subscribe because this takes a lot of work. The editing, no, the recalling, like no, fixing my hair, recalling in between, and then you have to edit and then you have to take the babies and stuff. Yeah, so this is the hair I got from the beauty supply store. It says one pack is all you need. Like when I say one pack is all you need, it's all you need. Like the hair, I went there and I was like, I gotta find something, and then I saw the hair and I smelled the hair. This hair had no smell. When I say it has no smell, it was smelling clean. Like it smelled good. It was not, you know, like all mustardy and old and dirty and stuff like that. It smells good. So as you can see now, I'm just gonna start putting the hair in one by one. I did this before. It was a long time ago, like years ago, and I'm doing it again, and I'm happy because it came out exactly how I want. So right now, as you can see, and my hair is not gonna fall off. Once again, I'm letting you guys know my hair is not gonna damage from the glue because I have two stocking cap on my head. I did this before and my hair didn't break, it didn't fall, nothing bad happened. I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how I take down the hair because I'm going to be doing the next video just to show you guys how I treat my hair. Okay, so right now I'm just going in with my blow dryer, just trying to blow dry this hair in. Like I have fun doing this hair, like I have fun. But anywho, yes, so I'm just doing that. So to my face now, as you guys know, I always talk about this in all my videos, and that's what I'm going to be doing until my face is 100%. So as some of you guys may know, I'm on Accutane, and let me give you guys a little bit of update of how the Accutane is going. Honestly, it's doing good for me. When I say I'm not having any bad side effects, the only side effects that I'm having is my lip. My lip. Like I go through Vaseline like 100 times a day. Like my hands is always in the Vaseline. When I tell you, the only side effects I'm getting is my lip. And right now my face is darker than my body because of the Accutane. Like my face got a little bit darker. As you can see here, my hands is a bit lighter than my face. See, but that's fine because the Accutane is working. It is working well for me, but the only problem that I'm having is my lip. My lip get dry in between, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. I always have to remind myself to put on the Vaseline on my lip, and honestly it's annoying. Like it's annoying, but apart from that, I feel great. I'm not having any mood swing. I'm not stressed out. I'm not, you know, upset. Like I'm doing good. Like I'm not miserable or anything like that. And he put me from, I think from 20 or so. He from 10 on 20, I'm not sure. But from that, he put me all the way to 35, and I'm not frustrated. Like, I'm not mad at anything. Like, I'm doing good. The only problem is my lips. So as you can see, I'm still putting the hair in, and it's going well. When I say I was loving this hair before I could even finish. But yeah, as you can see now, I'm still putting the hair in my hair. I know I was talking a lot about my face, but I always like to give you guys update on my Accutane face, like, you know, like on my face about the Accutane, because somebody might be out there that, you know, having this problem. If I tell you guys my age, you would not believe it, and my doctor was kind of surprised. Why am I breaking? I've been breaking out now for like about 5 years, like off and on, and recently it got so worse. My doctor was like, no, we got to do something about it, because if some of you guys don't know, yes, I'm gonna say my age. I'm 41, and that's my age. I am 41, and then for my age to, you know, to be having a breakout is not normal. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm 41 years old, and I'm proud to say it. Yes, I'm 41. Wow. Anyways, as you can see now, I'm just taking the hair and putting it on top so that I can start braiding the hair. This part, it's nothing to explain. It's very easy. Like, it's easy. Like, anybody can do it. If you starting to do this hair, just follow my step. It's very easy. So as you can see, I'm just dividing the hair, so it's 4. So I did 2 on one side and 2 on the other side, like the braids now. So I'm just trying to get prepared now to start braiding the hair, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm very, like, I like my part to be really good, even if the hair is not nice. And if your part is on point and your part is clean, I'm telling you something, girly, your hair is going to look nice. When I say nice, it's gonna look good. So right here, I'm about to start braiding the hair. So I mixed the expression hair and the weave itself. So I cut the weave from the web. I think that's how you cut it. Yes. So I cut the weave off, and then I mix it with the expression hair, because the weave is very soft. So it was hard for me to grip. As you can see now, I'm just adding it in the expression hair so that it can blend well with the weave itself. I think that makes sense, right? But anyways, yes. So that's what I am doing right now. So I'm taking my time. This part, you can do it if you want to, but if you don't want to, you could always just blend your hair in, girl. But as for me, I was like, let me just braid it, and it took time. So it you have to be very patient to do this part, because I did it small, so it took a lot of time to do. Like, I was like, I'm tired already, but when I tell you, I got so much compliment on my hair. Like, the hair is puffy, the wind is inside, and it's not so heavy. Like, it looks heavy, but it's not so heavy. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going in, you know, taking my time, mixing the hair together and braiding it right. Like, I was in love with the hair already. I was like, yes, I did that, girlie. You did that. You did that, you know. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe to your girl channel to see more video, more protected style, because right now I'm so into doing protected styles. I don't see myself doing pixie cut again like that. Maybe I'm gonna just style my own hair, but the pixie cut, I think I'm done with that stage. You know what I mean? So now I'm just, you know, trying different hairstyles. I'm going to be bringing hairstyles for you guys. You know, I'm just going to be bringing different styles for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys get that part. So yeah, I'm continuing to braid the hair. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. This part took forever because I had to do this side, and then I have to go on the other side, and then at the same time I was cooking. Yes, I'm a full-time mom, full-time hands-on mom, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I am doing the last part on your left, if I'm not mistaken. that's what I am doing. So yeah, the hair came out really, really nice. I love it. When I say I love it, I love how my hair came out. It just, I was like, wow, I did that. So as you can see, I'm not putting a lot of edge control on my hair itself. I just take a little bit on my hands and then I just kind of put it on the hair, just so that the hair can grab. Guys, I don't know if you know the word, just say it. But sometimes I talk a lot in these videos and sometimes I forget what to say. So as you can see, yes, girl. You see, my hair look good, my hair look nice. At this point I was like, wow, this is nice. Look at it. Look at your girl. Look at your girl. Yes, girl. It looks so nice. I am in love with the hair. So as you can see, I did the other side and this is how your girl hair is looking. I love it. You see how it's full? When I said the hair, like at first I saw it, I was like, oh hell no, this hair was not gonna make it. So I was looking for my scissors and I just found this one in front of me and I just used it. And when I say this hair, oh my god, time to cut it out. Like right now I don't even know what to say because I was like, where is my scissor? But anyway, I still cut it. I still cut it really nice and it came out exactly how I wanted it to be because I was looking for my scissors. I'm like, where is my scissors? Yeah. So if you like, you can leave your hair long or cut it. As for me, I was trying to go for that look because I'm not too much a fan of long hair, especially curly hair. I'm not too much a fan if it's like long. I don't really like it. But yes, this is how your girl hair is looking. I'm just taking my time to cut the hair and I cut it nice. Like I was in love. I was like, oh my god, look at my hair. My hair look good. Like, oh my goodness. So yeah, that's how the hair is looking. I'm just about to go back in and just clean any hair from underneath because he knows sometimes these hairs I'm always hiding underneath. So I'm just taking my time and going in and just cleaning it and it looks good. When I say I was feeling myself, I was so now I'm just putting in my leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna put that in and then I'm gonna go in with my mousse and then I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel to see more video like this because I'm gonna be bringing the videos back to back and we all going to learn from these videos. So anybody can go at the hair store and buy your cheap hair because this hair was $37.99 plus tax. It was about maybe $41. That's how much I paid for this hair and I came and I killed it. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.